I'm Julian Tyson, Professor of Analytical Chemistry at the University of Massachusetts Amherst. And I want to say thank you, first of all, for your interest in helping us with this research project. We're asking a number of people, both in Massachusetts and in other parts of the country, to help with the measurement of arsenic in rice. And the purpose of this short video is to show you how to use the test kit that we've distributed in order to make the best possible measurement for us. So in the test kit that you received in the package, there are a number of components that you will need to make the measurement. There are two reagents, and they're in separate packages here, and there are a number of test strips that look like this. And we've also made for you a copy of the standard colors that are printed on the side of the vessel that you would get if you bought the test, all of which comes in this little handy package here. So we'll start the demonstration by assuming that you've boiled your rice sample and you've decanted the 50 milliliters and filled the test vessel to the mark here. And once this is down to room temperature, the first stage of the analysis is to add the contents of the sachet that's labeled reagent 1, the sulfamic acid. And you can do this just by tearing off the top. It's perfectly okay to use scissors if that doesn't work very well. And then add the contents of this sachet to the vessel by tipping it in and just ensuring that all of the material has gone in. Now it doesn't dissolve immediately, so you want to swirl the solution, and this may take a few minutes to do this. While that's swirling and dissolving, then the next stage of the procedure is to load the test strip into the cap of the vessel. So you pull the retaining part of the vessel apart, and you'll notice that the test strip has got a square of what looks like filter paper on the end. This is impregnated with the mercuric bromide reagent, and you want to load this into the cap of the test strip so that the mercuric bromide part of it is facing down over the hole. And there is a groove in the cap that will hold the test strip in place. So you slide the strip in here up to the end, and then it's securely retained. Then you put the retaining cap over the top and press it down. And now we're ready to move on to the second part of the demonstration. So once the first reagent has dissolved completely, then the next part of the measurement is to add the second reagent, which is powdered zinc. So again, tear off the top of the little pouch containing the reagent, and now add the contents of this to the solution, and then place the cap on here and tighten so that it's a good snug finger tight fit to the top here. And then from now on we require you just to swirl the solution gently. If you can, we prefer that you will swirl this continuously for the measurement period. But if not, if you can't manage to do that, then please try to do this as often as you can. And it's also very important that you don't splash the solution onto the test strip, as that will spoil the measurement and you won't get a satisfactory result. So just swirl this as often as you can for the remainder of the 40-minute period. So now that we've waited 40 minutes for the reaction to occur, the next stage is to remove the strip and to take a photograph of the result of the experiment. So just lift up the cap and remove the strip. And now you'll notice that there's a faint yellow color as a result of my analysis. The final part of the experiment that we're asking you to do is to take a digital photograph of this with the pre-printed color chart in the same photograph. So with your digital camera set on settings that will allow you to take a close-up photograph of an object like this, and with the flash turned off, try to get the object in focus and to take a picture that has got level illumination as far as you can. We would prefer if you can take this photograph in natural light, but if you can't, just make a note of the lighting that you're taking the picture under, whether it's incandescent bulbs or whether it's fluorescent strips, and put that information in the email. So when you've got a good quality picture, the best you can take with your camera, then please upload that to your computer and send it to me as an email attachment to my email address, which will be coming up on the screen in a moment.